Her real name is Yagmur Tanrisevsin. Date of birth August 24, 1990. Present age she is currently 34 years old. She was born in Mersin, Turkey. She is a Turkish by nationality. She is an actress by profession. He is active 2011 to present. Her height is 5 feet 6 inches tall. Her ethnicity is white. Her zodiac sign is Virgo. Marital status, she is unmarried. Her education is unknown. Net worth $1 million to $5 million. His real name is Yaman. Date of birth November 7, 1989. Present age she is currently 34 years old. He was born in Istanbul, Turkey. He is a Turkish by nationality. He is an actor and model by profession. He is active 2013 to present. His height is 6 feet 1 inches tall. His ethnicity is white. His zodiac sign is Leo. Marital status is unmarried. Girlfriend affairs, maybe it's rumor. Net worth $1 million to $5 million. I hope you like it. If you're new to my channel, like the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep supporting. Thank you so much for watching.